Good morning, everyone. Ito nga pala yung final project namin sa Applied Network kay Sir Harley. Ganyan kung makikita niya. Bilangin natin kung ilan yung pilan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Kung makikita nyo, sa 16 na bilan, meron siyang dalawang PC. Example, sa library, Sage, and 2 PCs. Same din sa SAS, sa CCSICT, PS, Agri, Gymnasium, CCJE, Hostel, Food Lab, Food Court, Educ Faculty Building, CBMU Building, Educ Building, CBM New Building, and yung Admin and Guardhouse. Kung makikita nyo, itong CBM New Building and CBM New Building, same sila ng kulay. Means sila lang yung pwedeng mag-communicate papunta sa admin building. Same din sa edu na dalawa. Then sa food court, food lab, and hostel, sila lang din yung tatlo na pwedeng mag-communicate with each other papunta sa admin building. Kung makikita nyo, nakahiwalay ang CCJE, Gymnasium, Agri, PS, CCSICT, SAS, Library, Guardhouse. So, tignan natin kung paano yung tinutukoy na pwedeng mag-communicate. Ito. Example natin. Si CBM Building o CBM New Building. Mag-message tayo. Mag-ping tayo sa kanya. Yan, as you can see, successful siya. Means, sila lang talaga yung pwedeng mag-communicate. Example, dito naman, punta dito. Yan. Same din sa CBM New Building to Admin Building. Yan. Sila lang pwedeng makipag-communicate to each other. Yan. Then, si Admin Building to CBM. As you can see, successful siya. Delete natin siya. Then, si ano naman, si CBM o si Educ Building to Educ. Yan. As you can see, successful siya. Educ to Educ. Yan. Then, Educ to Educ Building. Yan. Successful. To Educ to ano naman, Admin Building. As you can see, successful siya. Si Admin Building naman magkikipag-communicate kay Educ Building. As you can see, successful. Then, isa pa. Sila lang yung pwedeng mag-communicate. Delete natin. Si ano naman, si Food Lab o Food Court to Food Court. Food Lab to Food Lab. Food Court o Hostel to Hostel. Yan. As you can see, successful siya. Try naman natin kay Food Court to Food Lab. As you can see, successful siya. Yan yung sinasabi ko kanina na sila lang yung pwedeng mag-communicate to each other. Yan. Then, si Food Court to Admin Building. As you can see, ito siya, nag-successful. Delete natin para si food lab to food o admin building. Ayan, successful siya. Si hostel naman, papunta kay admin building. Ayan. As you can see, successful siya. Dito naman tayo kay CCJE. Means mag-isa lang siya. So, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-communicate sa ibang department o ibang building. Ito. Si CCJE PC. Yan. Example natin ay yan. Means siya lang yung pwedeng mag-communicate. Si CCJE naman, papunta kay admin building. Yan. Tapos admin building to CCJE. Then, si gymnasium naman, si gymnasium, yan, successful siya. To admin building to gymnasium. Ayan. As you can see, successful siya din. Delete natin. Kay agriculture naman, ping natin to, dalawang PC. Yan, successful siya. Si admin building to PC. Yan. Tapos so you can see, successful na siya. Kaya ano naman tayo, kay PS to PS PC. Yan. As you can see, nag-successful. Kay ano naman tayo, kay admin building to PC PS. Yan. Successful na din siya. Si admin building, siya lang yung nakakapag-communicate sa lahat. Kaya ano naman tayo, CCS ICT, which is ito yung department namin. Si PC. Yan. Nag-successful siya. Kay PC to admin building to CCS ICT. Yan. As you can see, nag-successful siya. Yan. Kay ano naman, SAS building. Yan, successful. Kay admin building to SAS, successful. Delete natin. Admin building to PC. Library. Yan, successful siya. Si library to library, PC. Yan, successful siya. Okay. Kay guardhouse naman tayo. PC to PC ng guardhouse, successful. Guardhouse to admin building, successful. Admin building to guardhouse, successful. As you can see, nag-successful lahat. Kaya ano naman tayo, admin building to admin. Yan. As you can see, successful din siya. So, ito pala yung final project namin kay Sir Harley. Sa mga PC, meron siyang sa desktop IP config. Meron na siyang nakalagay na IP address. Bawat isa niyan ay may nakalagay ng IP address. Kay ano naman, kay switch, kay admin building sa CLE o CLI, nakalagay na din dito yung code. Kaya nakakapag-communicate to each other si admin building. So, ito pala yung final project namin kay Sir Harley. Thank you.